It's a great day for keto. My name is Liftar, and I'm bringing you today's keto tip. Welcome. Today's keto bite, exercise and keto. So don't freak out. You don't have to exercise for keto to work. We're only going to talk about what the benefits of exercise are. And there are plenty of benefits. But again, don't let this be something that blocks you mentally from doing keto. If you don't want to exercise or you can't exercise, that's fine. It's just one more thing that adds to it and adds to the benefits. So besides being good for you in general, exercising while you're on keto can actually boost your ketone levels. And the ketone levels are what show up in the blood when you are burning fat for fuel. So when you are in ketosis, your ketone levels go up in the blood. So the exercise helps from a different direction to get the body into ketosis. It can really help your body make the switch from burning glucose in the blood to burning fat. It's much quicker than without exercise. So it helps your body make the switch to burning fat quicker than if you don't exercise. The exercise burns up the stored glucose. So your body has to burn all the glucose out of the blood before it can start burning the fat. So the more frequently you exercise, the quicker this all happens. Also, as you lose weight, there will be some waste material in your cells that releases into the lymph system in the blood. And when you exercise, it gets all the blood pumping and the lymph system moving so that instead of just sitting there, all that waste moves. It's more like having a flowing stream instead of a stagnant pond. And that's why you should exercise with plenty of water. The exercise cleans out the system so you can get to the work of burning fat. Now, sitting all week and then walking 5 miles on Saturday is nice, but that type of schedule won't really get the needed changes started. Walking every other day is much better. Walking every day is by far the best. Try to throw in some moves while you're walking. You've seen the guys walking that are training for boxing. They'll be punching their arms as they walk. You can do that. You can stop for a minute, do some deep knee bends, lean against a tree or a bench, and do vertical push-ups. In other words, instead of going all the way down on the ground and doing push-ups, you can just lean against something and do them. And if you're older or not in good shape, just stand more straight up and down as you do these vertical push-ups, and they're very easy to do. And as you get in better shape, you can lean further over so there's more body weight on your arms. You can stop and do twists with your upper body. You can lean over side to side, one side and then the other side. That actually works on your core more than you think. Doesn't look like much, but it actually does quite a bit. You don't have to have any set routine, doesn't have to be complicated. Just get out there and move your body. Body was meant to move. Of course, if you're already into exercise, you probably have a routine. Great, keep it up. I'm not trying to replace what you're already doing, just giving suggestions. If you're used to being a couch potato, let's light a fire under that big potato and get it up and going. Just move. Any old movement will do. Even if you're bedridden, move the parts you can. If you can move your arms, move your arms. If you can just move your knees, even if you have to pull on them, pull your knees and your legs up, do something. So to sum up, any type of exercise is good to help you get into ketosis. Any amount is good. The more frequent, the better. Daily is fantastic. You got this. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com, and we'll see you next time.